It's a new year, and in Ohio, that means lots of new laws are officially in effect. Legally speaking, there are quite a few that could make a difference in your everyday life. Here's a rundown of the big ones. The new congressional districts maps for Ohio, drawn exclusively by Republicans after Democrats didn't agree that it was fair, is technically law right now, but it's tied up in the Ohio Supreme Court, so TBD on what happens with that one. It's getting tougher to get an abortion. Starting March 23rd, doctors who teach at state-funded hospitals and medical schools won't be able to work at clinics where pregnancies can be terminated. And it will be a crime if doctors don't try to save the child's life when a baby is born alive after an abortion attempt, which is something so rare that it almost never happens. This law is expected to be challenged in court, too. Now it's a crime for someone to make it look like they're calling you from a different number. This is called spoofing, and this means no more fake local phone numbers showing up on robocalls, tricking you into picking up that line. For people who work in the service industry, now you can serve alcohol to customers once you hit age 18. Before, you had to be 19. Business owners hope opening this kind of job up to more people will help out with the worker shortage we've seen across so many different jobs here in Ohio. And speaking of jobs, the minimum wage in Ohio just got a little bit higher. For most people, it's a 50-cent raise, now at $9.30 per hour. If you make that much and work 40 hours per week, you'll bring in $18,600 before taxes. After taxes, you're looking at just under $15,000 a year. For people who make tips, the minimum wage went up 25 cents to $4.65 an hour. And if you can afford it, very soon you'll be able to bet on sports in the state. Ohio has all year to roll this out, but as soon as the Ohio Casino Controls Commission can iron out the details, people can start rolling the dice on professional, college, and esports games. This is Stephanie Haney, Legally Speaking, for 3 News.